This guide will help you download usage reports on Paperspace Gradient for the year 2026. Follow these simple steps to access your reports easily. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Paperspace website and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to access usage reports. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select the report type. In the usage section, choose the type of report you want to download. You may have options for different time frames of specific metrics related to your usage. Step 4. Set the date range. Specify the date range for the report. Make sure to select the year 2026 and any specific months or days you want to include in your report. Step 5. Download the report. After setting the parameters, look for the download button or link. Click it to download the report in your preferred format, such as CSV or PDF. Now you can easily access and analyze your usage reports on Paperspace Gradient. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to support.